How to make a tick box inside a table in Notion. Want to add tick boxes inside your Notion tables? Let's set it up step by step. So start with a table view database. You can create a new one or open an existing table. As for me, I will open up the sample projects table. So in here, go ahead and add a new column. Name it something like done or status, and then change the property type to checkbox. So to change the property type, simply select that specific column and then select change type and then look for checkbox in here and then click on it. And as you can see, these are changed into checkboxes. So you can simply check the tasks that you have made and uncheck those that you have not. And that is how to make a tick box inside a table in Notion.